Hello, first graders. The first thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Okay, this week we learned that when we hear the k sound at the end of a word after a short vowel, we spell it with CK, like at the end of the word duck. CK together is called a consonant digraph because it is two letters that come together to make one sound. Remember that it can only come at the end of words after a short vowel. For example, like in r, a, k, rock, or b, l, a, k, black. Another digraph that we learned about this week was the digraph SH. When S and H come together, they make one sound. And that new sound is shh, like at the beginning of the word sheep. The SH digraph can come at the beginning of words like ship and shop, as well as the end of words like fish and wish. All right, on your test here, you can see that I've given you some reminders that if you see a duck, it's going to be the CK, and if you see a sheep, it'll be SH. Your first word is going to be the word neck. Neck. N, e, neck. I have a long neck. N, e, If you're unsure of the vowel, I have the edge of a table here. And if you're unsure of the digraph, which is represented by this line, I've put a duck to help you remember. When you are done spelling the word neck, please move on to the next word. Our next word is ship. I rode on a ship across the sea. Ship. Sh, I, ship. You can see our digraph is at the beginning of this word, followed by the vowel that is represented by the I, the itch picture, and our last sound is p, sh, I, p, ship. Please pause the video if you need more time to spell the word ship. Our third word is going to be the word wish. W, I, sh, wish. W, I, sh, wish. So w, I, sh. Pause the video if you need more time to spell the word wish. Moving on to our heart words. Our first heart word is going to be the word says. He says I have to go to bed now. Says. Now, says is a very tricky word because the beginning, the s and says, and the ending, s and says, they both follow the rules, but it's what's happening in the middle that we have to remember by heart. So, my clues for you today are silly, active, young, scientist. Silly, active, young, scientist. Those are your letter clues on how to spell the word says. Pause the video if you need more time to spell says. Our second heart word is the word goes. He goes to school. Now, if you know how to spell go, you just need to add two letters onto the end of it to make it spell goes. I sometimes like to remember it as go as, go as. So spell go and then add as. Now, I have my little clue here. It's the edge of a table to kind of help you remember that there's another vowel before the at the end of go as goes. Pause the video if you need more time to spell the word goes. Our sentence has 8 words, which is quite a bit, but I think you can handle it because a lot of them, 2 of the words are actually A's, the word A. So our sentence is she can see a fish and a duck. She can see a fish and a duck. So let's start off with our heart word she. Oh, we've got that digraph right there at the beginning in the word she. So she. Make sure you make the S in our digraph a capital letter. She, space. Now we're going to do the word can. K, ah, can. That's got that kind of whiny letter in there. K, ah, can. She can, space. Hop over to the next word. See. You have to double the E in see. E. She can see a. So over this one little heart here is the letter A. We're going to hop down to the second line and back over to the left. And it's going to be the word fish. Ish. Fish. Ish. She can see a fish. Now we have and. 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 Space. A. Space. Duck. D. K. Duck. D. K. And here's our digraph at the ending. Don't forget your punctuation. She can see a fish and a duck. Punctuation, capital letter. Pause the video if you need more time. Otherwise, you're all done. Thank you.